Creatine is one of the most researched supplements on the planet. We all know it helps build strength and muscle. But can it actually boost testosterone? Today, we're cutting through the noise and looking at what the science really says. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound your body makes from amino acids and stores in muscles as phosphocreatine. Its main job? Recycling ATP, your muscle's energy currency, so you can train harder and recover faster. Supplementing with creatine increases muscle phosphocreatine stores by about 20%, which translates to better performance, more strength, and potentially faster gains. Here's the big question. Does creatine raise testosterone? Researchers have looked at this in at least 13 human studies. Only 3 found an actual boost in testosterone. And even then, it was in small groups of athletes like rugby players and swimmers. Some saw an increase in dihydrotestosterone, DHT, instead. The majority, 10 studies, found no change in testosterone at all. So while creatine clearly boosts performance, it's not a magic testosterone pill. Some studies tested creatine with other supplements like beta-alanine or HMB. Results? Mixed. One military study saw a small bump in testosterone with the combo. Another with football players saw none. The creatine-only group actually did better in one trial. Bottom line, creatine's hormone effects aren't consistent, but it shines in strength and recovery. If you're taking creatine to boost testosterone, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you're taking it for muscle growth, strength, and possibly brain benefits, it's one of the safest, most effective supplements out there. Just stick to creatine monohydrate, around 3-5 g daily. Stay hydrated and be consistent. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you personally noticed any testosterone boost from creatine? Your feedback could help others.